Green 11. Green 11. They're hot. Come here. Boy, who do you think you're doing? You do not do this on my football field. I see you do this one more time, you will be cut from every team at this school. Do it again. What do you think you're doing, Missy?
You can thank me later. All right, right here, this is your quarterback. This is like the Kay Caraway. She calls all the shots and she knows everything. You let Kay get hurt, you're gonna have to deal with Captain Bill over there, all right? You don't let that happen.
No, you don't.
Now right here, this is your wide receiver. This is Chad White. He has to deal with whatever is thrown at him. You gotta watch for him, all right? And right here, this is your running back. This is Brad Rippertoe. He trains and trains and trains, and you don't want to waste a single minute of that. Look at those calves he's got. Those things could cut diamonds. All right. You got it? All right.
All right, boys, run it again. Yes, kid. Look, nothing has changed. Go. Green 11. Green 11. Is that hot?
That's my boy.